I'll start for the first question. What do you see as the differentiating element for the application of AI in pharma compared to other sectors?
So I think that's a great question. There's two major answers that come to mind. First of all is the regulatory environment. You can't launch an AI solution in pharmaceutical drug development without thinking about regulatory approval on the global stage. If you'd like to launch an AI solution for social media, you can launch it within 2 weeks. You can't even get the FDA to open its email application portal within 2 weeks. So it takes longer. It also raises the bar for the rigor that you need. The validation, accuracy of techniques, transparency, and interpretation in pharmaceutical drug development far exceeds other industries. So whereas you can come out with AI applications quicker, faster, and frankly dirtier in other industries, it takes more time because of the rigor. You're putting chemicals and molecules in humans, and that's a very big responsibility.
Right. Yeah, so if you take the complexity of drug discovery, so we have seen that it takes time, takes a lot of money, and the success rate is low. Why? Because you definitely need to identify, if you have a disease and you want to identify a drug target, and then you want to identify a molecule to inhibit that target, then you want to take them into studies, including your preclinical studies, safety studies, efficacy studies. You have phase 1, phase 2, phase 3, and then you market the drug and you read what happens to the drug in the real world as well. So when you think about it, we do study human biology from a variety of angles. And today, throughout, you've heard about concepts like genomics, where you can measure the entire DNA of a human being. But then what happens is that that's an entity we kind of measure. We got, really good technology to do that. But then when you go down to other layers of biology, whether it's proteomics, metabolomics, microbiome, or even other aspects that we don't have a good technology to measure, we don't really know the whole map, actually. So that's becoming a very, very challenging task, because if we know that this is the productivity rate this is the ROI for an industry, why are we investing? Because definitely we need more medicine, but at the same time, we don't know the whole system. So that makes it really, really challenging. And that's where technology like generative AI could potentially help, actually. Large language model could potentially help. For example, if you go into all the published results itself, like you go to PubMed, you get 35 million abstracts, like summarized high quality results. But what does all that mean? Can a human being read all that? No. But now you can summarize that using some of these emerging technology, use the right type of biology, maybe then train a system to understand generative patterns from that. So this is all possible. So we do have a lot of new technology. I strongly believe some of this could help as we go further.
AI is not only different in pharma sector, it's crucial. AI is very important because we're talking about human-centric. When we talk about human-centric, small error cannot accept. So AI is not only different in pharma company, it's crucial, it's very important. This is number one. I'm coming from government sector, not pharma sector, so I will talk about not benefit of the money. I'm talking about human benefits, which is, first of all, we discuss how long the drug discovery will take. 10 to 15 years. Now, with you using to AI, it's take shorter. So when we make this shorter, we make the health quality is more, taking care of the human-centric is more. Now we're looking at sustainable environment. All of this make the AI very important and very crucial in pharma, in healthcare, more than any other sector. I mean, it's important anywhere, but here it's crucial because we're talking about human life, who will make this machine AI work. So number one is taking care of the human. AI will help us in this sector. So AI is very not important or different, it's very crucial for the pharma company.